Let's take a closer look at this GE over-the-range microwave oven, which I have in the color slate. Let's take a look at all the features and let me get a little closer. This microwave works like any, typical microwave. You have to open up with the handle, and then you have that turntable, that glass turntable inside. But I want to point out a couple extra features that this microwave has. So let's start at the clock. As you can see, I have it displayed, but you can turn it on and off. And then you can mute, that sound that it makes when it tells you it's done cooking? Well, you can mute that. You can also have the turntable, that glass thing that moves on the inside. You can turn that off at any given moment. And then they have a surface light. You have a high. Let me just move so you can see it. There's a high right underneath. There's a low, and then you can turn it off. And they also have a vent fan. Now it's a high and a low, so let me turn it on for you. There's the high, there's the low, and then you can turn it off. And it's not too overwhelming loud when you turn that fan on. And then let me point this out. Add 30 seconds. Now you can add 30 seconds any time throughout the cooking time. All you have to do is press that button and it adds 30 seconds. Let's look at the express code. When you press that one, it goes for 1 minute. 2 for 2 minutes, and so on. And of course, then they have the special sensor microwaves if you're cooking popcorn or beverages or potatoes. You also have a reset filter that you can hold for 3 seconds to reset the filter. And then you have the cook time where you can just put in the certain minutes that you'd like your food to cook. I've had this microwave for over 3 years and I have not had one issue to date with it. So if you're looking for a GE appliance, a microwave over the top of your range, then I highly recommend this one.